Welcome to Scratch's Secrets. We'll be buying scratch cards, scratching them on camera, and analyzing the results. Welcome to today's episode. We are skipping all the talk and springing straight into action. With that said, let's dive into today's cards. The winning numbers are 17 and 14. The top line consists of 28, 16, 22, 12, 24 and 27. The bottom line features 18, 13, 23, 15, 19 and 29. The bonus game was a safe symbol, meaning we did not win anything. No wins there. The winning numbers are 24, 3, 33 and 9. The top line consists of 11, 4, 22, 31 and 14. The bottom line features 18, 19, 27, 8 and 17. No wins there. On the first section, we got a gold cup, nugget, cloud, plane, vault and yacht. On the second section we got a sun and house. The winning number is 14. We got 7, 12 and 29. No wins there. Well, that was a bit of a dud, wasn't it? Unfortunately, this time, Lady Luck wasn't on our side. As you can see, no matches. But hey, that's the thrill of scratch cards. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. It's all part of the fun. Thanks for joining me on this scratch card adventure. Remember, gambling should always be fun and responsible. If you or someone you know has a gambling problem, please seek help. Until next time, keep scratching, keep dreaming, and most importantly, keep it fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting scratch card reveals. See you in the next one. Scratch cards involve chance, and there's no guaranteed way to win. Always gamble responsibly and within your means. If you or someone you know has a gambling problem, please seek help from organizations like the Gambling Commission or GamCare. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Any advice or strategies shared here are based on personal experience and should not be considered financial advice. We're not affiliated with any gambling operator or product. Good luck, and remember to gamble responsibly.